Hello, future forensic experts. I am Trisha Khurana from National Forensic Sciences University, Delhi campus. Let's talk a bit about forensic science, shall we? Now, the first few questions that arise is what is forensic science? What is the scope of forensic science? What are the job opportunities? And most importantly, how much will your hard work actually pay off in this field? Let's start with the basics. What is forensic science? Forensic science is such a science in which administration of scientific methods, technologies is done in court of law. Forensic scientists help judges, juries, and lawyers understand the test results of evidences that have been found. Now, the job opportunities in this field are innumerous. One could go into ballistics, DNA fingerprinting, toxicology, and have jobs such as forensic accountants, cyber forensic experts, and forensic experts. And the scope and demand for this subject will only grow in the future. Now, let's talk about how to become a forensic scientist. Firstly, your 10th boards. Scary, right? But your determination to do well in boards will only solidify a bright future for yourself. Second, subject selection. Now, this field requires basic knowledge of subjects such as physics, chemistry, and bio. So choose your subject combination carefully. Third, your entrance exams. Once you've passed 12th grade with flying colors, work towards cracking your entrance exams such as NFAT. NFAT stands for National Forensics Admission Test. It is a 90-minute long test conducted in an offline, computer-based mode. It is conducted in English and is used for admission into undergraduate, postgraduate, and postgraduate diploma courses at NFSU. For each correct answer, 1 mark is awarded, whereas for each wrong answer, 0.25 marks are deducted. Unanswered questions are not awarded any marks. Now, this test covers basic subjects such as physics, chemistry, bio, and basics of forensic science. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, the results. Crack your NFAT exam and you are qualified for getting admission into NFSU. So put your best boots on and be ready to explore the complex and diverse field of forensic science. Good luck.